American includes both conservative and liberal elements, scientific and religious competitiveness, political structures, risk-taking, and free expression. American has a variety of expressions due to its geographic scale and demographic diversity. However, beginning in the 1960s and continuing on in the present day, the country trends toward cultural diversity, pluralism, and image of a solid bone instead due to the extent of American. There are many integrated but unique social subcultures within the United States. Although the United States has no official language at the federal level, 28 states have passed legislation making English the official language and it is considered to be the de facto national language. More than 300 languages besides English have native speakers in the United States, some of which are spoken by the indigenous peoples, about 150 living languages, and other imported by immigrants. The national dialect is known as American English, which itself consists of numerous regional dialects that have some shared unifying features that distinguish it from other national varieties of English. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, American artists primarily painted landscapes and portraits in a realistic style. A parallel development taking shape in rural America was the American craft movement, which began as a reaction to the Industrial Revolution. Painting in the United States today covers a vast range of styles. American painting includes works by Jackson Pollock, John Singer Sargent, and Norman Rockwell. Among many others, the United States is represented by various genres of dance, from ballet to hip hop and folk, American music styles and influences, such as rock and roll, jazz rock, techno, country, hip hop, or rap, and music based on them can be heard all over the world. Music in the US is diverse. There is a regard for scientific advancements and technological innovation in American culture, resulting in the flow of many modern innovations.